Ever wish you could use Twilio's powerful SMS capabilities directly through AWS SNS? Today, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Twilio phone numbers to AWS SNS for seamless SMS notifications. First, sign in to your AWS Management Console and navigate to the Simple Notification Service, or SNS, dashboard. You can find this by searching for SNS in the search bar. Once in the SNS dashboard, click on the Create Topic button. This will allow us to set up the channel through which your messages will be sent. On the Create Topic page, give your topic a descriptive name like Twilio Notifications and a display name that will be visible to your subscribers under Access Policy. Select only the topic owner and specified AWS accounts can publish messages to the topic. In the Permissions section, specify the AWS account ID of the Twilio SNS integration. You'll find this account ID on the Twilio documentation page. For AWS SNS integration, add this account ID. And remember to save your changes. Now, head over to your Twilio account and navigate to the Phone Numbers section here. You'll need to purchase or use an existing Twilio phone number that you'll use to send SMS messages. Back in AWS SNS, navigate to the Subscriptions section for the topic you just created and click on Create Subscription. Choose SMS as the protocol for the endpoint. Enter the phone number you wish to subscribe to the topic. This is the number that will receive SMS messages sent through SNS via Twilio. Click Create Subscription. Finally, test your setup by publishing a message to the SNS topic. If everything is configured correctly, the subscribed phone number should receive an SMS message sent via Twilio through AWS SNS. Now you can leverage Twilio's reliable SMS infrastructure with the flexibility of AWS.